Hey guys, we're back with this 2013 Chrysler 300S. This thing had about 195,000 miles on it. The customer, it's got some issues, oil leaks and a few other things, but his car would occasionally just die on cylinder 3. Cylinder 3, she'd turn a corner and would just go away. And she's had it at several shops. We had our mobile team go out, take a look at it, realize that it was going to be something we were going to need the scope for. So they went ahead and brought it in. So what we found is that we were losing signal. This is a hot side coil. You guys want to take a look real quick. We still got to tape this up. But if you take a look right down there, okay, you can see the two wires coming in. This is a 2-wire coil. So it is constant on, all right there. We're constant on, and then we get a pulsed ground from the PCM, which is located right over here, all right? So when we first got into this wire had been cut, okay, and a new end had been put on by another shop. The repair looked to be actually done very well. It was soldered in. Everything looked really good. Our initial testing, this vehicle ran like it was supposed to, and we hooked the scope up to it, and what we found is we had no ground signal at all coming from the PCM. So we had pulled the cowl off and had the PCM exposed, and what we did, of course, went immediately to the signal wire at the PCM. What we found is that we had a good signal coming out of the PCM on pin 49. That left us with wiring. Well, we were testing for continuity, voltage drop, and looking at resistance across that pigtail back to the PCM. We got to the signal wire. Mind you, this looked like a very professional repair. The resistance in the wire started at 13 ohms and just started to creep up and creep up and creep up as we heated it up a little bit just to see what would happen. It finally went OL, out of limits, guys. So what I did was I went ahead and took a test pin and we went in behind the repair. And as soon as we went in behind the repair, our resistance dropped down to, what were we, 0.01 ohms, okay? Perfect continuity in the wire. Very low resistance, exactly what should have been expected when we're testing a length of wire back to the PCM. We went ahead and cut out their repair, wired it back in, double checked the pigtail, make sure everything was okay, and our resistance was exactly spec from the new pigtail after our repair back over to the PCM. So that just a shoddy former repair.